The name of our company is Silicon Chip Photonics, or OSCP. Current high-end IMUs are bulky and expensive. The manufacturing process is very labor-intensive. The product is not scalable. How we solve it is we use fully automated robots during the manufacturing process, so there is a minimum labor involved. We are integrating photonics components on a single chip so that we can produce thousands of these sensors on the single wafer at the same time instead of processing one at a time. That reduces the cost and increases the scalability of the product. Our product can be used in any moving object that requires precise navigation. Right now, we are only focusing on autonomous drones and autonomous cars. It has a vast potential for any cases where we need to precisely navigate. Our technology is going to benefit drone manufacturers and Tier 1 autonomous car suppliers.
Now we can provide a product which is more accurate but at a lower cost. We are designing and simulating the product ourselves, and then we outsource it for fabrication. So the optical components, the circuit boards, the electronics we have fabricated, get them shipped back, we assemble them and test them and package them, and then we'll ship them to the client. With our technology, with recent advances in photonic integrated circuits, we feel that we can take a couple zeros off the price and get comparable performance. This opens up the technology to sales in new emerging markets that would not otherwise be able to afford the accurate and affordable IMUs. Luminate has provided us with access to expertise in the area of photonics, and we're exposed to VCs and investors in that area. So we've basically raised the consciousness of the world to what OSCP brings to the market right now.
We are going to be the leader of inertial sensors technology, staying ahead of competition by constantly innovating and improving our product.